paano daw hanapin yung purpose? Hindi namin sinasabi at all na this is 100% way na you're going to find your purpose. Pero this is how it looks, no? Ito tools lang to. So, sabi ng mga mentors natin, may 3 circles daw na yung intersecting point, ito na nasa gitna. Nandyan daw usually yung grabing mataas na pinaka-excellent purpose mo. So, the first circle is, what do you love?
Yeah.
Okay? Ngayon, bakit hindi pwedeng circle lang ng love? Kasi pag circle lang ng love, example, maraming mahilig kumanta. Tama? Pero hindi naman lahat kasing galing ni Regine Velasquez o kasing galing ni Moira. Di ba?
Ako mahilig ako mag-videoke. But, I cannot be a singer as much as I love doing it.
Oo. So, although importante yung love na circle, kailangan may 2 ka pang circle. So, what do you love doing most? Pangalawa, what can you be best at in the world?
Napaka-important niyang point.
So, ang mahirap kasi, no, like kami, we don't have now to perform like my sister or kino-compare kami sa kapatid o sa mga ibang pinsan. When the parents don't have an idea what their children can be best at, ang tendency, lagi sinasabi, anak, kuha ka ng trabaho na malaking sahod.
Kung ano yung safe.
Kaya, marami din kaming kaibigan na minsan may kilala na may pera but they're not happy because may job sila na it pays well but they're not best in it. It's not a gift na yun ang pinakamagaling sila eh. And ang swerte namin sa mentor namin, kasi kay Erickson, every time lumalapit kami nila KZ, Yeng, lagi na titingnan, what can this person be best at?
Yeah.
Doon ko siya papupuntahin. Doon tayo maglalagay ng resources, pera, oras, lessons, training. Doon sa gift mo, where can you be best at? Meron tayong kilala, di ba? Matanda na siya. Ang pinaka-skill niya, interior design. Pero never siyang kumita sa interior design kasi hindi niya ginamit.
Oo.
Pero gift niya yun. Yun ang number 1 gift niya. Pero ang tinuro sa kanya, magnegosyo ka.
Nagnegosyo siya na hindi niya gift. Yung business niya, he did not use interior design. Hindi rin nag-flourish yung business niya. Kasi she was working so hard at something na hindi naman siya naturally gifted.
Okay. Pangatlo, what brings you money? Maraming times may love ako. Example, passion ng isang tao. Sabihin natin, I love doing cross-stitch, di ba? Pero ang tanong, may pera bang pumapasok? Are you earning from it?
You can sell cross-stitch, pero
diba?
iba na yun.
Yung nag-aayos ng kotse namin, si Alex, passion niya, yung kotse. He is, I think, one of the best dun sa areas ng painting, ng kotse, mga restoring. Tapos, kumikita pa siya ng malaki.
Yeah.
So, kita mo yung friend namin, love niya ang kotse, mahilig siya mga likot ng kotse, magaling siya magpinta ng kotse, it brings him money. Doon siya talaga yumaman, doon sa shop niya. Okay? So, very important na yung 3 daw, kung ano daw yung gitna, you love doing, you can be so good at, the best at, and it brings you money. Yan ang importante. This tool, yung 3 circles, will help you find kung saan ang purpose mo. Kasi, si God, usually, pag may purpose siya sa'yo, kung ano yung gitna ng 3 circle na yun, doon ka papupuntahin eh. So, do you have
eventually, you will end up there.
Yes. Bawa, you have a teaching gift. Pupunta ka talaga sa teaching. Doon talaga yung purpose mo. Ang pinakamasakit is, pag tumanda ka, and then narinig mo yung best friend mo, alam mo pre, ang pinakamagaling mong talent, interior design. And then your whole life, you never did interior design. You never earned from it. Parang may iba kang trabaho na ginawa, hindi interior design. I think you'll be very unhappy. Wala kang pera, di ba? Kasi, tapos hindi mo pa nagamit yung gift mo. So, napaka-sad.
So, ko lang i-stress lang yung second point, yung what are you best at, itong blue. Kasi, parang, gusto ko yun parang take note of the little signs. Lalo na if kung nandito kayo for the discussion of the 4 temperaments, hanapin nyo yung friend nyo na OC, na Tarsier, na mahilig magpuna. And then you ask that person, saan ba ako magaling? That's one way to find out. Kasi kung ikaw lang mag-isa, iisipin mo yung gifts mo. Ako, a lot of gifts that I have, na-realize ko lang from being with Richard.
Honestly, yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo, pag tinanong mo, ano goal kay Maricar, usually they'll say medicine kasi yun ang tinapos mo eh. Pag ako kasama ko si Maricar, nadidiscover ko may iba siyang strength sa ibang areas besides the medicine field. Hindi ko siya tinatry i-box na, hindi, mag-doktor ka. Kasi nagtapos ka sa UST, nagtapos ka sa Ateneo, dapat mag-medicine ka. When I look at Maricar, does it bring her joy? Hindi masyado. Yung medicine, hindi masyado. Can she be the best at it? Pwede. Does it bring you money? Nung nakilala kita, hindi.
It can.
It can.
For me, for my talents, there are better ways to earn. Speaking of medicine, I remember there are a lot of doctors, mga teachers ko, yung mga talagang kumikita ng malaki are the specialists na sobrang galing nila dun sa field na yun.
Yon.
So, nag-intersect. Love nila yung field na yun.
Yes.
They are the best at that field. So, they earn money from it.
A lot of you parents or even brother, sister, wag natin masyado i-box na ito yung tinapos mo, ito yung degree mo. You really have to look at the person. Iobserbahan mo talaga yun eh.
And it takes time.
Takes time. Takes years. So, yun ang practical tip namin, itong tri-circle na to. What you love, what can you be best at in the world, and what brings you money.